Hey, what's up guys? I'm back with another laser project video, but this one's going to be a bit different. In all my other videos, I've shown off the more powerful, more expensive models available, but in this video, I want to show something on the lower end of the price spectrum, and just because it's not quite as powerful as other models doesn't mean it's not as capable. In fact, in some cases, it's actually better. Depending on what you intend to use it for, it might be just what you need. This is the 10-watt ORTUR Laser Master 3 LE. So let's get it unpacked. Here's everything the base model comes with. I don't spend a lot of time doing the assembly in my videos. It's pretty straightforward, the directions included are great, and if you need more visual instruction, there is an assembly video included in the software that comes with the unit. Okay, we've got the base unit assembled. Now let's check out some of the accessories that ORTUR sent to me. First is the laser engraving platform. This is a little bit different than the honeycomb platform that you see in other laser models. Let's put it together and we'll talk about it more in a few minutes. Next is the Z-height adjuster. If you were only able to get one accessory, this would be the one I would get. The adjustment platform makes it so much easier to adjust the Z-axis, and it's going to allow for quicker and more precise manual focusing of the laser head. And lastly, the rotary chuck. I probably won't do a demonstration in this video because it really needs its own video to show off all its features, but let's unbox it really quick and see what it comes with. If you're interested, I'll have links and information about the rotary in my video description. Alright, I've got everything unboxed and put together, so let's talk about first impressions. I showed the engraving platform earlier. I like it so far. The completed platform is only one piece compared to two pieces that come with the standard honeycomb platform. And this engraving platform is incredibly sturdy. I'm not sure if it will perform any better than a honeycomb, but based on the initial feel, I think I like it a lot better. The next thing I've noticed is this pass-through in the front of the machine. I honestly don't know if they intended this as a pass-through or if it's just the design aesthetic of the machine, but it works great as a material pass-through, so I'm going to give them credit for it. Now, before we get into the operation of the machine, I want to give you a little tip. There is a specific startup sequence for this machine. If you don't start it up and connect it in a specific order, it will not connect to your computer, and you're going to be in for a frustrating day trying to figure it out. I don't think it's a flaw with the machine or the programming, it's just sort of is what it is. But once you've got it figured out, it connects perfectly every time. So the sequence is turn on your laser, connect to your computer, and then open Lightburn or whatever design program you're using. Works like a charm every time if you connect in that order. Like I said earlier, depending on what your needs are, this smaller 10-watt laser may be able to do everything you need it to do, and in some cases, it may actually be better. At 10 watts, it is still strong enough to cut through pine boards 20 millimeters thick and acrylic up to 30 millimeters thick, and it is fast enough to engrave at speeds up to 15,000 millimeters. The advantage you're going to have with the smaller 10-watt model is that ORTUR's compressed focal spot technology is great. All lasers basically work the same way. They take a series of 5-watt or 6-watt diodes and combine them through a series of mirrors, so the end result is two 5-watt diodes combined to make a 10-watt laser head. The advantage of a 10-watt laser head with ORTUR's focal spot technology is a much more precise cut with much less kerf and material loss. But where the Laser Master LE3 really shines is in its ability to translate that precision into very fine detail needed for engraving pictures and photographs. Here is a list of the engravable materials that the ORTUR is capable of working on. Let's put it through a couple of projects in my shop and see just what it can do. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you're interested in your own ORTUR Laser Master 3LE, please check out the links in this video description. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.